What's up everyone, Jahman here. Today we're taking a look at the SeekBox S3 Pro, a premium Android TV streaming box that promises fast performance, plenty of storage, and support for all your favorite streaming apps. I've been using it for a while now, and in this video I'll show you what I like, what could be better, and whether it's actually worth buying. So let's get started. Inside the box, you'll find the SeekBox S3 Pro itself, a Bluetooth remote, a HDMI cable, a power adapter, and a quick start guide. The first thing that caught my attention is just how compact this device is. It's surprisingly small and barely takes up any room next to the TV. If you like a clean entertainment setup, you'll definitely appreciate the size. You can even hide it behind your television and completely forget it's there. Despite its small footprint, it feels well made and has a nice premium finish. Getting everything up and running is straightforward. Simply connect the HDMI cable, plug in the power, connect to your Wi-Fi network, and log into your Google account. Within a few minutes, you're ready to install your favorite apps and start streaming. If you ever used Android TV before, the interface will feel very familiar. Let's quickly go over the hardware. The SeekBox S3 Pro comes with Android 11, 4 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs of internal storage, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.1, 4K video playback, AV1 hardware decoding. The biggest advantage here is definitely the storage. Many streaming devices only offer enough storage for a handful of apps, but with 64 gigs, you'll have plenty of room for streaming services, media players, games, and whatever else you want to install. The 4 gigs of RAM also helps keeping everything running smoothly while switching between apps. Performance has honestly been one of the highlights for me. Menus feel responsive, apps launch quickly, switching between applications is smooth, and I never had the feeling that I was waiting for the device to catch up. Video playback has also been excellent. Whether you're watching YouTube or other streaming services, everything plays smoothly without stuttering. Wi-Fi 6 also helps maintain a stable connection if you have a compatible router. Overall, the experience feels fast and polished. The included remote is simple but works well. It connects over Bluetooth, so you don't have to point it directly at the box. The buttons have a nice click, voice search works well, and overall it's comfortable to use. It's not packed with extra features, but it does exactly what it needs to do. After spending some time with the SeekBox S3 Pro, here are the things I enjoyed the most. First is the compact design. It's amazing how much hardware they've packed into such a small box. Second is the performance. Everything feels quick and responsive. Third is the generous storage. Having 64 gigs available means you don't constantly have to worry about deleting apps to free up space. And finally, setup is incredibly easy. Even if you've never used an Android TV box before, you'll be up and running within minutes. Of course, no product is perfect. The SeekBox S3 Pro still runs Android 11, while newer Android TV versions are already available. It would also be nice to see a clear long-term software update policy. The hardware is certainly capable, so continued software support would make this even a stronger product. And finally, this isn't the cheapest streaming box on the market. It's positioned more as a premium Android TV box, so whether it's worth it depends on what you're looking for. If you just need basic streaming, there are cheaper alternatives. But if you want more storage, smooth performance, and a compact premium device, the extra investment may be worthwhile. So, should you buy the SeekBox S3 Pro? After using it, I'd say it's a very capable Android TV streaming box. The compact design looks great, performance is smooth, setup is simple, and having 64 gigs of storage is a real advantage over many competitors. Would I like to see newer software and long-term update support? Absolutely. But based on my experience, the hardware itself performs very well and delivers exactly what you expect from a premium streaming device. If you're looking for a compact Android TV box with fast performance and plenty of room for all your apps, the SeekBox S3 Pro is definitely worth considering. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you enjoy honest tech reviews like this one, and let me know down in the comments what you'd like me to review next. As always, thanks for watching, stay safe, stay happy, and good luck.